how to make $10,000 a month as a beginner with no money. If you're interested, make sure that you stay tuned. Now let's cue the intro. So if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and also how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel because I've got plenty of videos to come, and also hit that notification bell because you do want to get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day, 365 days a year. So do not miss out on that. Now let's get started in this video and how you can make $10,000 a day starting now. If you're a beginner, if you're broke 100%, this is how you're going to do it. So the very first thing is you're going to have to choose a niche. So choose a niche that really interests you. No matter what it is, it really has to interest you. You have to be able to teach on it because you are going to have to bring value to people. Make sure that you really enjoy that niche because this is something that you're going to have to do for a very long time before you actually create that $10,000 a month, and even more that you can scale to $1 million a month if you wish to do so. But the very first thing, choose your niche. Then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to choose a platform. So a platform will have to be YouTube or a blog, because these two are very searchable. So like I say in a lot of videos, if you are very good at like building an Instagram account or very good at Facebook marketing, please stay in that because great, like that's awesome, you know how to do this. But if you clicked on this video, that's probably not the case. So you only want to do YouTube or a blog because both of these are search engines. And this is very powerful because people are going to be able to search for whatever you're going to do. So you have to choose a platform. Like the best one is by far YouTube, but if you're good at writing or decent at writing and you don't want to put yourself out there, it's very possible to make way more than $10,000 a month, but it's a little harder than if you do it on YouTube. So on YouTube, if you don't want to show your face, don't worry about this. You can create animated videos, and that can help a lot because a lot of people don't want to put themselves out there. If you do put yourself out there, that's going to help you so much more, and it's going to help you to cross that $10,000 mark way faster and way easier. But if you don't want to do that, you can still create animated videos, and that works as well. Once you do that, you are going to have to create some content. Content is something that a lot of people are not willing to do because you are going to have to do that all the time. And by that I mean that I put content every single day. I make a video, so make sure that you do subscribe. But that's the point. If you don't put out content very regularly, then it won't work because people get to know you that way. If you don't post content all the time, it's going to be a lot harder. Now, if you can't post every single day, it's not that big of a deal. Depending on what niche you're in, it doesn't really matter. If you post, for example, car videos and how to work on your car, it's going to be a lot harder because it's a lot harder to film some videos every day, and the other people are not doing that as well. But if you do manage to post content every single day and the other ones are just posting once a week, then that will give you a huge edge on everybody else. Outworking will help you so much. Outworking people will like give you so much of an edge that you can't even imagine. So if you want to win, you have to outwork people. So that's the very first point. If you can't make a video every day, just don't sacrifice the content, but you can do that. If you can post a video every day, by all means do that because that will help you so much. So that was for videos, but for blogs it's exactly the same thing. If you can post a post every single day, and I'm not talking about yeah, I can't because I don't feel like it. I mean, like, you really literally can't post every day for some reason, then that's okay. But if you can post every day, please do it. Like, find the time to do it, and that will help you out a lot. Like, that will grow your channel or your blog a lot faster than if you post like once a month or something ridiculous like that. By the way, if you post once a month, just don't even bother, like it won't work. So that's the first thing you want to post. Then you'll start to gain some traction after because Google and YouTube work the same. Once you post content all the time and you pick the right titles and all these things and the right descriptions, the right tags, the right photos, the right, everything, after a while you will start to get some traction. And you won't get everything right at first because your first videos will suck and YouTube will not be willing to help you anyway. So both of these combine, meaning that you only get like 3 views, and you should be pretty happy with 3 views in your first videos. And it will go very, very slow. It's very slow to grow a YouTube channel or a blog, especially at first, and then it's exponential. So the more people will watch your videos, the more YouTube will rank your videos up, and that means even more people will watch your videos. But at first, if you get 3 views, it's no big deal. That's just like, say it's just practice and just keep posting all the time, even if people are not watching your videos. Like, if after a year you're still getting 7 views, then you might want to change something. But before that, like, it's okay. Like, you see a lot of people on YouTube, like, that after 3 months they have 10,000 followers, but these are the people that, like, know what they're doing already. They know marketing, they know all these things, they've probably created videos before, so don't worry about these people. Go at your own pace, and if it takes you a year to get 100 followers, it takes you a year to get 100 followers. That's just the way it is. So once you've done that, you are going to want to make some money, but like, before you get to like 1,000 followers, you want to make some money, right? So what you're going to do is, in your niche, you're going to have to find some affiliate programs. Now, if you're very first, like just starting out, I suggest that you go to Amazon Associates. Free to sign up. If you have a YouTube channel, you can enter that as your website, and there's a good chance that you'll be accepted. Like, if you don't, there's something wrong. But if you have a YouTube channel, you will get accepted in there. So it's free to sign up, and then you are going to have to and then you are going to be able to promote some of their stuff. So say you're teaching people how to film videos, then you can say, I've got this camera that's really good, and I'll put it in the description, and in the description there'll be a link which will help you make money. So if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, what this is basically when you get a sale, people like the big companies will reward you for sending them a client, so they'll give you commissions for that. So if you're just doing that with Amazon, that's a very good way to start because they don't ask for much and you can make money from that. So if you post an Amazon link in the description, people will want to buy that and you make some money from that. So once you've started to make some money with Amazon, Amazon is it's just like, it's very good to start, but to actually scale and make $10,000, it's going to be very hard. So you start with Amazon to get your first money, because I want to make this video for people that have. So my battery died, but I believe I was saying that you can't earn very much money with Amazon because they don't give you very big commissions. So it's very hard to actually make a decent income unless you have like a lot of followers. But it's a very good way if you have no money. So you start with Amazon. But once you start making some money from Amazon, you start making a few bucks here and there, you start making money like regularly. Then what you do is you're going to have to create an email list with the money you've earned. So don't go out and just spend that money, because that money will be very helpful to actually make some more money. So once you've started making some money with Amazon, what you're going to do is you're going to create an email list. So it's going to cost you a bit of money to start. That's why you start with Amazon and just posting money in the description. But once you start posting money in the descriptions, once you start posting these links in the description, then instead of doing that, you post like an ebook or something like that that you've created. So you write an ebook and you say, if you want that ebook, go and click in the description and you'll get that ebook for free, because that's what you're going to do. You're going to give that ebook 100% for free. And what's going to happen is you're going to write some emails before that will get sent out automatically. So every time somebody gets your ebook for free, they enter the email and then they get some emails promoting some things. But instead of promoting Amazon this time, you're going to have to promote some higher ticket offers. So with doing that, that's going to increase so much, because if you sell a product for $1,000, there you go, you made $1,000. But if you make 10 sales of $1,000 a month, which isn't that big, it's not even like one a day, it's not even once every 2 days, then you make $10,000 a month, and that's our goal for this video. So how do you find these high ticket products? You go to clickbank.com, and that's going to, like, you can search. I did make a video on high ticket products, so if you want to check that one out, I'll tell you exactly how to do it, but I won't go into depth in this one. But you can choose how big you want the sales to be. So you say, I don't want to under $500, for example, or 400 or whatever. It depends on your niche how much you can make, but make sure you sell some high ticket offers, because that's the way you're going to get to $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, and even more. The other way to do this is recurring commissions, so you can do that as well, and that's basically the same principle. Just find something that makes recurring commissions, so people have to pay every month and then you get paid every month. So that's another way to do it. These are the two ways, and once you've got to that point, then you can make quite a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So that's entirely how you start. From the very start, before you have anything, you start with Amazon, making videos or blogs or blog posts, and then you just scale from there and you create an email list, and that's how you scale to $10,000 a month or even more. So that was my video for today. Make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, because I've got so much content to come every single day, so you don't want to miss that out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.